Top 7 PUBG PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds tips that should help beginners. 1. If you want to get good at the game, jump to areas you know will have a lot of people: Georgopol, Military, Novo, and Yasnaya Polyana. 2. One way to not get screwed by the last circle is to camp a building somewhere near the middle of the third or fourth circle. 3. Lower your sensitivity setting from the default 50% and work your way back up until you find what suits you. 4. Two-story apartment buildings are the best spots for looting a lot quickly. South Georgopol has a lot of these. 5. After killing someone, don't just go loot them. Play defensively first and make sure no one is waiting for you to loot. This is your weakest moment. 6. Make sure to boost in the final circles. 7. 9 times out of 10, the circle will finish in the open and not in a city.